Today, this Tundra gets a Rock Warrior grill. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Today, I've got something different for you guys. I'll be working on my buddy's 2012 Toyota Tundra. Now, I'll be doing a super simple install, which is going to completely transform the look of this truck. We'll be pulling off this chrome grille off of this Tundra and throwing on this Rock Warrior one, which is color matched. Now, this is a 2012, and this grille right here will be a direct bolt-on for all you guys with your 2010s to your 2013s. For the earlier generations, you will need to get additional brackets to make this work on your grille, but I believe you can get that through Toyota, so it's not that big of a deal. Installation on this should be extremely simple. I'm imagining it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to switch this over. And I feel like for the price, this is a great option to really like freshen up the look of your guys' Tundras. If you guys do want to see more second gen Tundra content on the channel, make sure to drop me a like below, leave me a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Without talking too much, let's get this thing installed. Now, installation, as I mentioned, super simple. We just need to pull off the 10mm bolts on the brackets and on top, and they just essentially pop out these little clips. I mentioned earlier that with the earlier generations, you have to get a bracket, and I believe it is this bracket that will make it work for you guys, so you should be able to get that from Toyota. So real quick, let's pull off these bolts and get the new grille on. I did just notice that the hood latch release is actually attached to this grille, so we're just gonna use a Phillips to remove it from the grille. Now, on the grille, there are going to be some push clips on in between this like metal piece, the hood and the grille, so we'll just have to pry that open. There we go. And there's a little bit of rust right here on the hood. Interesting, so we might have to come back here and kind of touch this up. Just one thing to keep in mind. Okie dokie, so to reinstall this, there's nothing to it. It's essentially popping this guy back in, this clips, and throwing the bolts in. So let's do that real quick. Next up, we're gonna throw all the bolts in, reattach our little hood release, and we are good to go. Quite possibly one of the easiest grill installs I've done. And there we have it for this install. As you guys saw, super simple. This is color matched, and you have to consider that this right here is a 10-year-old truck, and it's actually pretty good. I will try and catch that on video for you guys, and you can't really see, I guess, the fading in the hood that much. And I think this just looks amazing. So, for all you guys trying to spruce up your, second gen Tundra, specifically the 09 through 13, direct bolt on, I think it's a really simple upgrade. And then for the earlier generations, like I said, you'll just have to get those side brackets as well, unless you want to have a floppy grill. Well, now that's all the time I've got for you guys today. As I mentioned, if you do want to see more content on this truck, more installs, upgrades, reviews, maybe a head-to-head with my 2022 Tundra, make sure to comment below, drop me a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.